Hey YouTube, it's Lady-Hifi here. I got my new Thalia Capo today for my banjo, and I think they can be used for guitars as well, but I wanted it for my banjo. My wife got it for me actually. So I just wanted to do the unboxing so you guys could see what it looks like. Totally awesome. I'm super excited. So here it goes. I've already cut it, so I'm gonna open it now. Sweet. Look at that. Looks like it's the shipping label. And then it's got like this little case here, maybe. Look at that. It's like a little elastic kind of bag. This must be my travel case. Looks like it goes around that. It's awesome. So let's put that here. This little case. It's awesome. Look at that. Whoa. If you guys could feel this material here, it feels super slick and super elegant. Gonna move this out of the way. There's nothing else in here. So it's black tissue, so I'm going to put this over here and focus on this. Here it goes. Whoop whoop. Look at that. There's a sticker here. Thalia Capos. This little booklet, quick start guide. Looks so it's how to use it. Hold the capo, slide it up and down the neck. Positioning and storing, changing the fret pads. Specialty tuning kits. A fret pad for every occasion. Teflon versus rubber. You can use it on banjos, mandolins, guitar, acoustic or electric, it seems like. Ukuleles. What else? There's a difference between a bass and a treble and a compound radius. It's a nice little nifty book. Tells you all kinds of things in here. Celebrity gift box. So apparently I'm a celebrity. So, celebrity gift box. Are you buying a Thalia Capo as a gift or want an elegant way to store your capo and fret pads? Yep, it's super elegant. This is what I've got. So, look at that. All right, let's put this book back where it belongs. Slide it in there. Put the sticker back. All right, guys, here it is. It's stuck in here, so I'm going to squeeze it to let it go, to release it. I got a gold capo. Check that out, Thalia. And I got the green. I think it's the emerald or something like that. With Amy. My name's Amy, by the way. And look at that. Check it out. Nice. So basically you would put it on the frets like this and you would squeeze it. Man, it's rough. It's tough, man. And you'd slide it up and down the neck. Look at that. It's nice. And it feels really heavy, like a nice capo worth $100 and something, $162 or so. It's got the shell inlay, the green one. 24 karat gold finish with the Green Angel Wing. So it's the Green Angel Wing on the end, around my name. So Green Angel Wing here and all the way around and all the way around. Look at that. That is awesome. Let's put it into light. Look at that. Sweet. Look at that. In the light. Green Angel Wing. And then I got the Celtic font with Birdseye Maple as my name. So that's Birdseye Maple. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of tan. And it looks absolutely amazing. Completely happy with the choice of color of the inlay and my font and the Green Angel Wing. I would not have chosen anything else. This looks awesome. Look at that green. Super sweet. All the way around. So it seems as though that it has these fret pads that you can change. I think you go like that. Yeah, just like that. So you actually change the fret pad. You pull it out and then you put in another one and then you slide it in just like that. You see that, guys? Let's go put it over here. See that? So you take it out. I'm going to try to do this with one hand here. Nope. It's not going to work. So you slide it in here basically. Let me see if I can get it done. It's my pinky. It's really hard to do that. So give me 1 second. So, oops. So it's got this little tip on it. You see that? So you're going to put it, hook it right there, and then you're just going to slide it in as so, and then it snaps right into place. See that? So that way it fits on the fretboard really nice and snug. See that? So let's see what else came in this box. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Let's try this again. So I'm going to pull this out. Look at that. Look at all these fret pads that you can change. So you see that? It comes with that one, 7.25, 15, 9.5, installed in capo. That's what that says. So it seems like it's already in there. And then that one is 16 inches. And it comes with this pretty cool pick. I play banjo, so not sure if I'll be using this, but my wife plays guitar, so she might get some use out of that. If not, it looks really cool in here, and I will just leave it. So it comes with this really cool foam, so you can press this in there as so, and slide it in. And it also has another one, if I can get it to come out. Well, seems like it's pretty snug in there. But it looks like it's the same stuff. There's 15, there is 16, and another pick, and it seems as though there's more fret pads in here. See that? More in here. So it comes with a ton, so you can customize and make sure that it all fits properly onto your ukulele, banjo, guitar, whatever it is that you need it to fit on. Sorry guys, I'm having problems here. Technical difficulties. So, here it is again. Look at that. Sweet. Flip it around. Nice. Anyways, I love my capo, so let me put it on my banjo so you guys can see that. Hold on one second. What is the problem today with this thing? I'm back. So here's my banjo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in here as so. And then it's going to go right there. I don't know if you saw that or not. Just slide it up and down really quickly. And it also mentioned in the book that this is the capo that you don't have to have it completely on the net. Like it could be right in the middle and still be perfectly fine and in tune. Or it could be right on the net and it's good too. So anyways, this is the great thing about this capo. So it's also supposed to not go out of tune. So you're supposed to be able to do bends if you use a guitar really easily. Oops. But I mean, these bend really nicely. So if you have to do bends, it's going to work too. Alright guys, so that's my video on getting my brand new Thalia Capo custom with Green Angel Wing Inlay with a Celtic font with a Birdseye Maple lettering with my name on it. So you can see it on there. It looks awesome. And it also goes with my banjo. It's really pretty.